All right, good morning, everyone. It's 9:19. It's Friday, 10:20, and the market continues to dump. This is a 5-minute chart here. I'm going to erase this. 30-minute here, and a 15-minute here, and 30-minute even from yesterday. I mean, this is yesterday, this is today, this is the day before. So it's been really on a tear down for a while. And if you look at the daily, it's really taken a dive since August, right? Then it bounced back, went back up, comes back down, and right now it's on a dump. So are we going to see maybe come back to it or what? But usually on Fridays that doesn't happen, right? So I don't know if this is something that is going to continue, but so far right now, once the market opens, we are definitely um, looking for shorts. We're looking to short, so we're looking for puts. Um, there was no really a gap even yesterday. There was not even really a gap the day before. So, it doesn't really need to fill any gaps coming up. So we'll see. Right now it's bouncing back right here, but the long trend or the bigger time frame, the larger time frame, it still weighs down there. Looking at the daily, broke major support area. Looking at the 1 hour, I have the 1 hour on another chart next to me. Um, Still looking bearish. So, I mean, it's not something that right now, looking at it at this time at 9:21, we're definitely going to look for shorts if we get the opportunity to do so. That's right now what the market is showing. All right. So let's give it time when the market opens, see what happens. And then if we find anything, I'll be back. All right, we're still waiting here, guys. Look, it's already open. I plotted pre-market highs, pre-market lows down here. Almost made it to this pre-market high, but I'm gonna wait until 10 o'clock. So we have about 17 minutes or so for 10 o'clock. So we're gonna wait actually 12 minutes. So we'll wait. We'll wait and then we'll see what happens at 10. I just want to give it time to breathe because right now it's going up on the 5 minutes, still looks bearish on the 30 minutes, still looks bearish on the 15 minutes, still looks bearish on the 1 hour. Looking bullish on the 5 minutes, but um, overall, it is a bearish trend, right? Overall, it's a bearish trend. So we'll see. I'll be back. All right, guys, little update right now. It's currently in a range. I plotted the pre-market and I also plotted the 1 hour from 9 to 10. So 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Still 8 minutes to 10. I put this up here just for now, but if it does go higher, then I'll move that up. If it goes all the way, then I'll move this down. But right now, this is the high and this is the low so far, and it's been ranging. Look, large wick comes back down, wick. So we are still waiting. Still bearish on the 30-minute, bearish on the 15-minute, bearish on the 1 hour, bearish on the daily. Um, so we'll see what happens in the 5 minutes. All right, we're definitely close to that bottom uh, support that we have there. This is a new 5-minute candle. It's going to go lower. This is the pre-market low. So we're still going to wait. You see how it went all the way down here, went back up. That's why you have to wait for the close of this candle for you to be sure, because then you would have been screwed right here, right? I mean, in futures, you can hold and it could come back. I've done it before, but still, you don't want to be down. You always want to see green. So we'll just wait for this candle to close and see if it closed below or it's going to close at the top. Again, bearish in pretty much every single time frame, every larger time frame. So we have a new 1 hour candle. The last 1 hour candle was a very bearish candle. Very bearish. The 1 hour. But oh damn, I just messed this one up. I didn't lock it in. There it is. Let's lock this lines here. Let's lock them because I don't want to move them. Lock. Looking at this 30-minute, man, it looks pretty good for see if it does another pushback here.
Order filled.
Going for a put here real quick, guys. Real quick. Going for a short. Going for a short. There it is. Boom.
Order filled.
Bam. There it is, guys. There it is. That's the trade right there, guys. That trade was, I'll tell you guys right now, $750. Boom. $750 trade. All right. Why did I take it? Why did I take it? All right, that's the main. Let me take this blue box. Blue box here doesn't mean anything, guys. This just for me. Whenever I put an order, I can't see where I go in because it's the line is black. And so far, I have not been able to find out where to change that line. So I got to put a blue box behind it so that way I can see where I came in. So we don't need that blue box really. Why did I go in? All right. So the reason I came in, first of all, again, I've been telling you guys since the beginning that everything looks bearish, right? You look at the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, everything looks bearish. So whenever this 5-minute gave me a pullback, when I'm looking at the 30-minute, the 15-minute, and the 1 hour, and it's hitting that 9 moving average, this is a 100 moving average. I know now. Let me just rephrase that. I don't know, but the high probability is that this is going to bounce off that 9 moving average. All right, everything is still going down. So even if it goes a little bit higher, now if it goes above the 100 moving average, I might consider coming out. But because it was hitting there and it bounced and it came back down, and that's what I said. Well, if it goes a little bit higher one more time, then I'm going to get in, and that's what I did. I played the bounce, coming back down, boom, called it. All right, called it. So remember, I operate 3 accounts. That's when I closed down. By the time I closed, it was $250 each one. So $750 so far, guys. All right. And this still looks good for another put right here. But now we're not going to go with 5, man. We're going to go with like 2. Look, see? Loving these pullbacks, man. Look, that was perfect, man. We should have taken this in the moment it was open right here. But now since we're up, we don't want to screw it, right? We want to have risk management on this. See? And with that move, I went in with 5 contracts, which uh, you guys can go in with 5 contracts, up to you guys. But just know that if it goes in the opposite direction, then, you know, just the same way that you made 750, you can be down. So look, it did it again, went back up, came down. That would have been a perfect move, but I'm over here thinking about it now. Look at that. If I would have held down here, guys, that would have been over $1,000. Should have, could have, would have, right? Should have, could have, would have. Look at that. And I didn't even leave runners. I should have left runners. At least one. So now it's making it to the pre-market lows. There it is. Touched the pre-market lows. It's going to continue down to where? Where do I see something? Let's look at the 30 minutes, see if we find something. There it is. That's a ways down right here. I would like to see this 5 minute go back and touch that moving average for another trade, but that could take a while, but we'll see. Next low will be right here. Let's do all charts. So one, yellow, put it at 50, and I do a dash so I know the difference. Oh my God, look at that, guys. That would have been like over $2,000, man. All right, so if we go in now, we're going with 1 contract because it can go back up. In 6 minutes, we're going to get a new 15-minute. So we still got 20 minutes for a new 30-minute, and we still got almost an hour for a new brand new candle for 1 hour. Again, all of it is being bearish, plus the market is just bearish, right? I would like to see some pullback before I get in. So we'll wait, see if we can get some kind of pullback. That could happen anytime, or it might take a while. Even if I trade again, right? Um, but I would love to get some kind of pullback to the 9 moving average with the 5 minutes while everything is down, so that way I can get back in and maybe play another opportunity here. All right, brand new candle here. All right, we'll wait so this video is not like 3 hours long. Guys, look at this massive move, man. I regret not leaving a runner. I should have left one runner. Massive, massive move, man. Damn. All right, we're getting a new 15-minute in about 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. But just massive, man. Took our support here, took out pre-market support or lows. And this line right here is the next low that I checked in the 30 minutes. And I just marked it just for me to know that could be a potential. But massive move. This candle was actually a white candle, and I thought about getting in, but I didn't, not even with one contract. Anyways, it is what it is. We're up 750 right now, so we're not going to give money away right now. If I get in, I'll be chasing right now. So I really want to wait for a pullback to the 9 moving average. Let's see what this 15-minute candle does. Sometimes a new 15-minute candle might go up and, retest that. So we'll see what happens. All right, here we go, guys. Look, here we go.
Order filled.
Going in right here. Again, I'm not looking for big ones here. I'm not looking for big ones. I just want to add to what I have right now. If I see decent amount, I'll take it. Look right here. Boom.
Order filled.
There it is, guys. I'm up $900. I'm up $900. This is what happens. 15-minute came in, give me a white candle, rose up. It's not going to go all the way up like that, right? So, boom.
Order filled.
Now it's going to go a little bit higher maybe. That's why I'm only going with one so that I can add to it. Again, I'm not looking for big numbers now. Not looking for big numbers. Boom, boom. Come on. I could have waited a little bit longer to buy up there, man. Again, should have, could have, would have. Should have, could have, would have, man. Should have, could have, would have. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. There it is. There it is. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. I think I'm going to get out. Come on. I'm getting out.
Order filled.
962. I'm up 962 here, guys. Okay, so again, risk management. Risk management. That's what we're doing. Risk management. $962, guys. Okay. So we're gonna wait for another pullback, and then we'll see if we take it. If not, I'll come back and just call it a day. It's Friday. Usually Fridays are not really good, but the market is crashing. Not crashing like the stock market, like major news crashing, but it's definitely bearish. Definitely bearish. You look at that 1 hour right now, and it is just going down, man. Look at the 15-minute. Beautiful break right here, right? Beautiful break from today's low, pre-market lows, went up, right? Gave me that pullback, traded down again. And now we'll see if we get another opportunity. I would love to get $1,000, but I'm not going to force it again. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'm going to call it right here. We're up $962.50. Um, Waiting for a pullback to take back here, but that could take a while it does that. But I would really love to see a pullback, maybe retest this 9 moving average while everything else is bearish. And that could be like later in the afternoon, and I'm not going to sit around and wait, or at least, to record the video because that's going to take forever. So again, up uh, 962 with 50 cents. And we actually just started trading like 10 o'clock, really, or 5 minutes before 10 or something like that. So it's 10:26, not bad. This is the low of a few days ago. So maybe that's where we're going. Again, I'm not going to predict nothing. I should have left runners, but I didn't. I totally regret that. Out of the 5 contracts that I went in, I should have one. Even the one that I took here really quick, again, because I was just trying to get to 1,000. That's the goal, so I don't have to push it. But definitely, I should have left the runners up here. I would have one runner. This runner would have been, like another $800 or something like that. Just that one runner. So regret not doing that. I didn't even put a stop loss to it. So I just traded really quick. Usually when I have 5 contracts, that's the way that I trade. I don't play around with it because, again, that's very risky, especially in futures. You guys see how fast you can make the money, but at the same time, if you take forever, you can lose it. Now, because we're using Top Step, you're not losing it yourself, but again, you want to pass the test, not be on it for a long time. So, all right, guys, it's Friday. I will see you guys on Monday for the training, and then we'll go from there. So, I don't think I'm going to trade again today, but if it does go back and touch the 9 moving average, might look to trade. All right. So, all right, guys, have a good one.